Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name remains Richmond, and what I do here is I teach people how to make money online. The real issue is I try out things, and if they work for me, I come to YouTube and then show people how everything is works. So if you're new to this channel, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. So this is the sign up process. First of all, you input your first name, last name, email address, your username can be your nickname, and then password. Confirm your password. You choose account type as private because you are an individual, and if you're a company, you can choose a company. Do you have a traffic source? You select no. Yes, you have to select no over there, and then you select your country from the drop down menu. Yes, and there are tons of country, and this platform works, I think, worldwide. Yes, and then all the countries are being listed over here, so you can choose in between them your appropriate country that you are in. And then as for the Skype, you go to Google and then search for Skype, and after creating your account, you copy your Skype ID and then you paste it over there and click on next, and automatically your account will be ready for you. So I have an account, so I'm going to log in into my account and then show you people how everything works. So this is the login dashboard of my Fiverr affiliate account, and all I need to do is to type in my Gmail password and then hit on login, and then straight as that is going to log me into my account, and then we continue from there. So as it's loading, take this advantage to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then hit on the notification bell, and then continue, guys. So the page is still loading, and what Fiverr affiliate does is that you refer people to Fiverr, and then when they create an account or take any action with our link, we are going to earn a commission on that. So all we need to do is to click on marketing tools and select default and deep links. That's where we are going to take our links, and then what I will recommend you to do is to copy the CPA, Fiverr CPA, first link that you see over there. The first link, you copy that link and then you share with your friends. That means CPA means cost per action. That means, and you can copy any of the links that is below. We have Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, Fiverr Learn, and then a lot of links that is being related, and they all have commissions entitled to them. So the LP link over there, the LP URL, you go to Fiverr and then copy a gig address. Yes, a gig address, a gig link, and then you paste it over there. Automatically all the links over here are going to be redirected to the gig that let's take it that you saw a logo designer on Fiverr and you want to share the link and earn a commission. You can come here, copy that link, and then paste it in the LP link, and then automatically it's going to create a link for you to share. So let's move on to another episode. So let's look at how you can get paid. Yes, the payments is very important. So how you can request for payment on Fiverr affiliate. So as you can see, my dashboard is 000, so I'm not going to I don't have money in my account to withdraw, and then because my account haven't reached any withdrawal or haven't made money, the minimum withdrawal is $100, and I haven't reached that. The payment method to request for payment is very hard. It cannot be possible. So all we need to do is to move to settings, and then account details, and then payment details. Where you see edit, that's where you need to click. Where you see edit, you need to click over there, and then automatically that's where you can edit your Fiverr account. Yes, so do not click on yes. After editing everything, that's where you click to add will change from yes. So you change from click to add to your payment details. So you can add your PayPal, Payoneer, and then wire transfer. Wire transfer means you can let them to deposit into your local bank account, and then when you click on wire transfer, you can select the currency that is entitled to that, and then you can use Payoneer to receive your payments. As simple as that. And then you can go to settings and then do any settings, two-factor any settings that you want to do with your account. You can do that in the account details. Yes, that's where you can do that. So what you are going to do here is going to use Fiverr affiliate to make money. And one thing is that after somebody clicks on your link and then create an account with your link, that means any money that the person will spend on Fiverr, you are going to earn a commission. Yes, that is the reason why I'm doing this video, to help you guys. So you can, I will leave the link to Fiverr affiliate in the description so that you can click on that and then create an account. Simple as that. Yes, so you have CTR, or this is the dashboard where all your clicks, sign-ups and everything, and you have anything, you can contact them straightforward by creating your email message, and then they will respond to you. As simple as that. So let's look at the commissions that you can earn as an affiliate to Fiverr. Yes, I've been using this for a while. So the reason why I asked you to copy the Fiverr affiliate, the CPA one, means you can earn $100 and then earn a ongoing net rev share, that's 10% money that the person will spend on that platform. Yes, for the business account, if the person creates a business account to your link. And then for Fiverr CPA means you're going to earn $10 and then ongoing net of deposit rev share of 10% of any money that the person spends on the Fiverr platform. Any money that the person will spend for lifetime, you're going to earn a commission on that. So guys, if you find value in this video, kindly hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on notification bell. And until I see my next video, don't forget, I do love you guys, and then stay safe, and bye bye for now.